Fed up with that stubborn tan that just won't go away? Grab a tablespoon of besan, another tablespoon of Multani Mitti and add some olive oil to make a nice thick paste. You can even add some shower gel, totally optional though. Slather this onto your skin and let it work its magic for 15 minutes and rinse off. Watch your tan fade away like a bad dream. Tired of dealing with oily or greasy skin? Well, we've got an all-natural solution just for you. Grab a tablespoon of neem powder, a tablespoon of Multani Mitti, and a dollop of yogurt. Mix it all up until you've got a smooth, creamy paste. Now, slather on a generous layer of this magical mixture. Sit back, relax for 15 minutes, and rinse off thoroughly. Is your scalp greasier than a frying pan? Try our amazing hair mask made with green tea and Multani Mitti. Just mix them up into a paste, apply it to your roots and wait 20 minutes before washing it off. Green tea deeply cleanses your hair while Multani Mitti eliminates product buildup and excess oils, giving you a squeaky clean scalp. We hope you like this video and do try out these tips and tricks. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.